Chapter 1. The Magic Aeroplane. One day, Mummy takes Neha to a toy shop.
Look at that, Mummy.
Do you like that aeroplane, Neha? Mummy buys the aeroplane. Neha puts the plane on the table. Suddenly, the plane starts becoming bigger.
Hey, what's happening?
A loud voice comes from the aeroplane.
I am a magic aeroplane. Come, hop on. I will take you for a ride.
They fly high up into the sky. They land in a jungle.
It's so green and cool.
We are in a forest.
They fly to a desert. It is hot and dry.
It is so hot.
We are in a desert.
They fly to the mountains. There is lots of ice and snow.
Oh, it's so cold. What is this? It is soft and powdery.
We are in the mountains. This is snow.
They fly to the sea.
What big waves! I'm getting wet.
Come, Neha. It's time to go home.
They fly back home. The aeroplane lands in Neha's room.
Wow, what fun that was!